Respected faculty, my name is Samat Pratik Dalal, and this is my PLC project 2. This is a simulator, and I'll start my program by pressing the power on and start button. Firstly, I'll talk about the faults that I have given because I already given the first fault to the this station. When the bottle is not present on the second station till 5 seconds, then it will turn on the PBB light. Initially, it will turn on because there is no bottle here. Once the bottle is here, then the light will turn off. So let me start my program. This is the previous shift count, but if I want to, then I'll just reset it. I've given this button for resetting all of these sections. Firstly, I'll show you the counts. So for the bottle fill count, once it will pass this sensor, it will count one. Once the bottle is filled completely, then it will count one. So for the second fold, I'll give PBA light because when the current fill is greater than 150, then it will show turn on the light here. And for the capping, again, once it is capped, it will show you here. And for the active cycle time show, it will count the correct active cycle time once the total bottle counts is reached to 5 to 6. Here, for the capping speed, here you see I have converted it from the analog signal of it to this one, to MM1. And for the this sensor, level sensor, I have also computed it with here. Here is the current speed. So fill count gets to 4 and at the bottle caps to 3. Here when the bottle is kept, it will be converted to 3. So total bottle counts are given to this one. When there is an input on, so it will count here. So whenever the average cycle goes above the 151 mark, then it will turn on these lights. So when the for the current active cycle time, it will not show the correct one because once it is the total bottle counts is 5 and it will show the correct active cycle time. And for the delays that I have given here are the this one for the clamping and extending delay, and for the extended delay and for the unclamp of the delay, I have given 1 second delays to both of it. And for the reset button that I earlier showed you is this one. It is the PB button to reset all the values, and the total bottles that are counted will be shifted to previous shift count. As the bottles of 5 bottles are filled, that is my 1 cycle. I consider that as a 1 cycle. So my 1 cycle time is printed here, the 78.41, which is the I have printed here in seconds. So for the last section of that is the maintenance one, I have given here to show the operator, I have given 10 bottles count. So whenever the bottle filled count will reach more than 10, then it will give the operator the gray light. That means it needs the operator to stop the operation and do the cleaning part. Here, when the fill count went to 10, it showed the operator that maintenance is needed. So the operator will, for the resetting of this light, I have given this gray button. So when the operator will reset it and stop the process for the requirement of cleaning. So lastly, I have given to shift the previous shift and clear everything. I given this button, the PBB button. So here I can show the clear and shifted here.